Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. I don't have clients today, and we are going on a spontaneous beach day to Bender Park. I know I look like shit. I wanted to get some sun on my zits, so I have a little bit of a tan for my photo shoot Thursday and for my birthday Friday.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
I'm also bringing my GoPro today, which I'm super stoked about because I feel like it gets better quality pictures, even though it always malfunctions on me. It has like a 2K, is it called 2K? 2.7K, something like that capability, so it gets a little bit higher quality video. Are you excited for the beach?
Yeah.
Whee, here we go. Oh, so close to our exit, and there's traffic stopping. Sweet. Oh yeah, here's our exit. And that's the way we have to go. See that bridge up there? They've been working on that for about a year now. A year. At least, if not longer. It's the goddamn semis, dude. The goddamn semis. Holy shit, look at the freeway. Oh, the lake looks pretty from up here. Ooh, what? No, probably not. It's busier here than I thought it would be. Usually there's not anybody on this beach. It's pretty goddamn busy today. Bleh. That's cool that there is all kinds of nasty crap on the beach, cigarette butts and whatnot. Fucking gross. The waves are coming to get you? Are you gonna watch out for sharks, Gia? Are you gonna watch out for sharks?
Is there sharks in this one?
No, I'm just kidding. This is the lake, not the ocean. Yeah, come here. Here, come back. Come back, you're too far, honey. See, I told you you're too far.
I was scared.
Yeah, the waves. It's gonna get you.
Can you put on the
Did it make you float?
I see you, it's sexy right over.
Oh! Are you scared? god, my camera is covered with sand. Awesome. So I gotta stop and get gas. I had to hurry up and get dressed for the gym. I had to make both of my gym drinks. I had to charge up my iPod. I had to get Gia dressed and soak her feet because she had sand on them. I had to pack my bag. And I'm in a big hurry because it's already after 2, I think, and I need to get back by 4. So, and I don't think I'm going to record my workout. I don't know. We'll see. I feel like it's going to be maybe busy at this time. We'll see what happens when I get there. I kind of just want to get in and get out and not have to worry about setting up my camera and whatnot. But I have some updates for you guys. I don't know if I told you this, but they suddenly closed my Gold's Gym in Waukesha that I used to go to. Isn't that crazy? And I heard from my photographer friend John yesterday that there's going to be a Lifetime Fitness coming to Brookfield. That would be awesome. I used to work for Lifetime in Gilbert, Arizona, and it was the bomb-ass gym. So I would be very happy if the Lifetime chain came to Wisconsin, Milwaukee area. All right, you guys, I gotta go get gas. Gotta take off. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Oh my God, you guys. So just FYI, Ice Cube was in town like last weekend or weekend before, and I totally wanted to go to the show. And the funny thing is, like, you know how Ice Cube's all gangster and shit? I heard that like 80% of the crowd was white. And I'm just listening to one of his songs, and he's talking about some other rapper and how he only raps for white people. Anyway, not even what I was trying to say in this deal, but I thought I recorded another deal, a clip. I can't talk, you guys. I can't talk. I thought I recorded a clip at home right as I was leaving here, but I forgot that I had my camera on a different mode to take still pictures, so I didn't even get that clip that I made earlier. But I just had a shit show of a ride over here too. Like, people be driving like crazy freaks. Half of my drink, my pre-workout drink, went on the floor because I had a freaking jam on the brakes because some dumb douchebag pulled out in front of me on the freeway driving like a freak. So yeah, that's how my day is going. But I'm here and I'm probably not going to record in there. I don't know. I don't know if I feel like it. I don't even know what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to do arms, so that's not really a very exciting video to watch anyways. So, you guys, I only have one more week here at Animal House unless I buy another month. Should I buy another month? $200? I really, 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 really want to. So somebody please buy my $5.25 special. And then I'll be good to go. The song does not make any goddamn sense. And basically he just says every word that rhymes over and over. How annoying. Anyways, I ended up doing buys and tries real quick. A little bit of cardio. I did treadmill at the end and I warmed up on the step mill. And now I'm going to run to Sally's because I got to do something with my hair for my birthday and for my photo shoot. Sweet. So there was an accident over here when I was on my way here. A truck rolled over or whatever right in front of the goddamn freeway entrance. So I figured it would be done, cleaned up an hour later or so. Nope, not cleaned up, blocked off. I don't even know where to go from here now. Who the fuck knows how do I even get home from here?